Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or if you're new, hello, welcome, thank you so much for stopping by. Today's video is going to be my winter Fab Fit Fun unboxing, and if you guys don't know what Fab Fit Fun is, it is a seasonal subscription box for $49.99 a month. It is a beauty, fashion, lifestyle, home type box. Depending if you choose to pay seasonally or if you just do the year in full in one payment, then you get to customize a certain amount of options. I think it's like 3 items if you pay seasonally, and then I think if you do the year, you get to customize 5 of the items, and then 3 of the items are just going to be something that everybody gets or that FabFitFun just picks for you anyways. But yeah, if you guys want to see what I got in my winter box, then just keep on watching. Wow, I just instantly looked super orange now. But anyways, this is the box this month. So when you open it up, this is how everything comes inside. You get a FabFitFun magazine. This is literally just a magazine you can read, but it also tells you all of the items in the box and the retail value. It doesn't just show you what you got in your box, it shows you all the items you could have picked from as well. Next is a HelloFresh gift card, and this is for 9 free meals. I may have to give this a shot. They've given it in other boxes as well, but it hasn't been this good of a deal. It's usually 6 free meals, so 9 free meals. I may have to try it out. Next is just another card. It said, save this for you. Take a moment for yourselves. Get started with $15 off your first box. This is just a single-use code, I think, because it says before you give it to a friend. So I'm pretty sure you can only use this one time. So I'm going to post this on my Snapchat and my Instagram. And first person who says that they want it, I will just give them the code. So I know I'm sitting kind of awkward. I'm literally like at the edge of my chair because I do have the box on my lap, just so I can read the items and pick it out from the box. So inside, where it shows all the products, it has different colors for in every box. All members can choose, select members are able to choose, and then FabFitFun's picks. I'm just going to read what items I chose instead of going over all the other options. If you want to see all the options from every category and a better breakdown, Jen Loves Reviews did a great video going through every single product and like the ingredients and everything and what she got in her box, and if she were to pick it again, like what she might have chose differently. So I definitely recommend checking her out if you want to see like what all the options were, since I'm only going to be talking about the items I got. So for my first options, I picked the R+Co shampoo and conditioner. It's the Television Perfect Hair Shampoo and Television Perfect Hair Conditioner. It says, achieve camera-ready hair with the shampoo and conditioner duo, which softens, strengthens, and adds body and shine. Holy cow. So I didn't pay attention to item prices when picking them. I just kind of picked what I thought I might enjoy the best, or if I didn't really care for anything in the category, I picked something that someone else might enjoy. So for the shampoo and conditioner, this retails for $64. So $32 for a shampoo, $32 for a conditioner. What? Like, I don't want to spend more than like $7, $8 on a shampoo and $7 or $8 on a conditioner. Like, if I'm spending more than $20 combined on shampoo and conditioner, I feel like that's so much money. So definitely can't wait to use this. My hair is my main struggle. I'm letting it down right now. I have just dyed it. The box said medium light brown. My tips that were a orangey golden kind of color from like dyeing it forever ago literally matches the rest of my hair right now, and my hair is a dark brown. So my hair is definitely my struggle, and we're just gonna let my hair do its thing right now. So yeah, I'm sorry if it kind of looks a little wonky here and there. So for choice number 2, I picked the Lashes MD Eyelash and Eyebrow Conditioner. This is the product here. It just comes with a little like brush applicator. I'm not gonna like put it on my hand or my eyebrows or my lashes or anything, because I am going to give this to my mom because she's really wanted some eyelash serums. So I figured this would be a nice little gift from my mom. And it says, your lashes and brows deserve some TLC. This signature formula rejuvenates and moisturizes with amino acids, peptides, and vitamins. And this retails for $69.95. So this is super expensive. So Mom, I hope you like it. I hope it works miracles too, because this is the only one you're gonna get unless you really want to spend $70 on it. So for choice number 3, I picked this Karuna Face for All Face and Eye Mask Set. So this set here comes with 6 face masks and 1 eye mask. You've got age-defying, antioxidant, brightening, clarifying, exfoliating, and hydrating for the face mask, and you have a renewal eye mask one. So all the masks come in different colored little bags and stuff, so I think that's really cute as well. I love getting face masks and like sheet masks, eye masks in subscription boxes because these are expensive. I don't even like spending like $5 on a single use like face mask from a drugstore brand at Ulta. I just feel like $5, you're putting it on your face for 20 minutes and it's going away. Like unless masks literally work a miracle and it's gonna like remove a pimple, I don't want to spend a lot of money on them, but I really like the feeling of them, having them on my face, so I really like getting them in subscription boxes. So the magazine says, from antioxidant and age-defying face masks to a renewing eye mask, this set addresses all of your skincare concerns. And for the 6 face masks and the 1 eye mask, it retails for $42. So I mean, $42 to get all of them does look pretty expensive, but it does come out to about $6, right? Yeah, it comes out to $6 a mask. So I mean, that's not too bad. To get them all in one can be pretty expensive at one time, but yeah, it's not outrageous like the 111 skin one we got where it was like 160 for 5 masks. Alright, so for the next item, I picked the Beauty Bakery Proof is in the Puddin' eyeshadow palette. It's a really pretty neutral shadow palette. I do have a lot of eyeshadows, so I'm probably going to be putting this into a giveaway. So definitely follow my Instagram. I'm probably going to do it through there just to make it a little bit easier. I'm not sure exactly when I'm going to be doing a giveaway yet, but it'll either be like a holiday giveaway or it'll be early 2020, so stay tuned. And it says, effortlessly create day to night looks with 5 matte and 4 shimmer shades. Plus the palette is a hard pressed for minimal fallout, and it retails for $38. Alright, so this was the last item I got to customize, and this is the Vera Mona color switch. I do have the Ulta version of this and I really do enjoy it. It's just an instant brush cleaner, so I'm going to leave this closed. I might keep it, I might give it to a friend, or I might put this into a giveaway as well. So in case I decide to put this in a giveaway, I'm going to show you guys quickly with this Ulta one. Let's just say I've got this blue shade on the brush. This is a fluffy crease brush, so let's say I got some blue on there and I want to go in with a lighter color. If I go to pick it up with the blue on there, it's going to muddy up the color a little bit. If you can see right there, it's kind of like a very faint blue. So just do that. It kicks off any additional product, and I can go in. I don't know if you're even going to see this light shade. It might not be the right shade to use, but there we go. I've got a light skin tone shade right there. It's just super convenient if you want to use like one brush to just like do some eyeshadow and you don't want to dig through your brush collection. This is really convenient. So yeah. So this next item FabFitFun did pick for me in my box, and this is the Busio Somatology Yoga Calm and Clean. It says Epsom salt hand and body wash with lavender oil, and this says calm your senses as you cleanse with a relaxing blend of lavender oil, provitamin B5, and shea butter. This retails for $39.95 and it is 8 ounces for a hand body wash. Like that's so expensive. Like I would never spend that much. I always get like soap, like the soft soap when it's like $1 each, or like the Bath and Body Works ones when they're on sale. Like I don't want to spend more than $5 on a hand soap. That's ridiculous, but I mean I have it, so I'm going to use it, which is good because we're running low on our hand soap. So the next 2 items are things that everybody gets in their box. And this first one is the Prep Rally Prime and Prep Detangler from Drybar. And it says, this lightweight detangler uses biotin, vitamins B and C, and sea berry oil to protect hair against heat up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit and leave hair soft and conditioned. And it retails for $23. I'm in need of a new heat protectant. I haven't really used heat on my hair in a while, actually. I don't think I've used it since the summer, like straightening my hair and everything in Thailand after getting it cut. So I usually just let my hair air dry. So yeah, I might straighten my hair for graduation and everything, so this will come in handy and I don't have to buy a new one. And I've heard really good things about it. I just don't spend a lot of money, again, when it comes to my hair. I've always used like the Tresemme, or I think Not Your Mother's. I think they have a heat protectant. I could be wrong. I don't know. I always just use drugstore heat protectant. So yeah, definitely excited to try this. And then the final product is the original makeup eraser, and I've been wanting to try this for so long. I've gotten like the dupe ones from like Five Below. I'm so excited to actually get to try this out. So this is what it looks like. I'm sure you have all seen it. So yeah, definitely so excited to try this out. I cannot wait. It says, from waterproof mascara to bronzer and blush, this reusable makeup remover erases the day with just water. And it retails for $20. So it says to wash it approximately 1 to 2 times per week. And it says it lasts 3 to 5 years. I mean, I never purchased it because I thought $20 was a lot just for a makeup removing towel. But if it's gonna last you that long, even with getting dirty and everything, I don't think it's that bad. We'll just have to see how it works. So if you want me to do a video specifically on using the makeup eraser to remove like my most waterproof of waterproof going out when I decide to go out, very rarely go out, makeup, then definitely let me know and I will do a video for you guys because I'm super excited to see how this works. Alright guys, so the total value of my box was $313.89. So it is definitely a really good value. There were definitely items in the box that I didn't get that were more expensive than the items I got. But again, I just picked items I thought I would get the most use out of or that I was able to give to other people. I know there's a lot of like household stuff, which currently with our living situation in the apartment, we don't have that much room for a bunch of like home stuff. So a lot of the items that I do get are beauty related. And I've decided that I'm going to stick to just getting Boxycharm in 2020. But I have been really happy with the items in my Fab Fit Fun. And there's so many options between each category that you can pick from. So if you are interested, I definitely recommend checking it out. But yeah, if you guys liked the video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Hit the subscribe button down below and turn on the little bell notification so you guys know every single time I upload. And yeah, I love you guys and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.